welcome back to the channel. Today, our corn got a little bit blown down. Uh, it's BMR corn, and BMR is a little bit, or it's a little bit less strong than normal corn. But you can see that it's just bent, bent. So the corn isn't snapped off or anything, which is good. You can see how tall it was. At about 2 o'clock this afternoon, we had just it wasn't a huge, it was a huge storm. It wasn't long. It wasn't a long storm, but it was, there was a little bit of hail, strong winds. I heard like 60 miles an hour. But the corn's flat. The soybeans that we have beside our farm is also flat. But yeah. Okay.
Looks pretty bad. It's all bent over, so hopefully it will straighten out again. But we're about 2 weeks away from chopping, so we'll see what the coming days will bring, if it will go and stand up a little bit again.
I heard also in other places the storm was a lot worse. So their corn, I think the storm was also Minnesota, because my mom saw something on Facebook about that. But be praying for those people that have the corn just flat against the ground. We will still be able to chop this because it's not snapped off and it's not on the ground. So yeah, it's not good. I mean, it's 2 weeks before chopping, so. Okay, so you can see here that this tree broke, that tree broke, that tree broke, this tree just pretty much snapped in half. I mean, this one was already like half dead, you can tell by the leaves. And just snapped in half. And next summer we're probably gonna clean up these branches, and next summer we're gonna be taking out, I'm not quite sure what we're gonna do, but we're gonna be replacing these trees with different trees, because these are like fake peach trees or something like that. So we're gonna be getting some different trees, stronger trees that grow just a little bit faster and stronger. So I don't know. I think we're gonna like put them like in between here. I'm not quite sure. Or we're just gonna rip them all out. I don't know. But I guess we'll see next summer. I'll show you. Right, so the plan is to put in red maples. So it's kind of like this tree here, but it's just gonna be red. These have been in here for like a couple years. This one, and this one. It's been a couple years. Yeah, I mean, they grow pretty fast. I hear they're also pretty strong. It's gonna look nice with all the trees on the lane, all red and tall trees. So, I mean, these are actually getting pretty big too. But these are just too weak. My uncle also has some loose siding from that wind, and there is some siding missing over here. So yeah, wind can do a lot of damage. And here's their apple tree that just snapped off right by the ground. It fell into their garden, so yeah, I've never seen something like that happen. Alright everyone, so it's the next day, and me and my dad, we are cleaning up these trees here. It's actually kind of mostly my dad, I'm just filming it. But yeah, we're just got the wheel loader and the chain on the bucket, and we just strap it to some branches, and then he just brings it to the to the burn pile. So I also heard how fast the wind was going, and it turns out it was going 90 miles an hour. That's insane. And, yesterday, yesterday I heard it was 60, but now it was 90. So yeah. And there she blows. Woo! That was easy to get out. Oh. Well, he only got the stump. Oh, that sure goes easy with that big of a wheel loader. So my dad quick put the other bucket on with the grapple. A little bit easier with pushing them all over there. We have another tree that broke off in another wind, and my dad is putting the trees over there, so. Alright guys, that'll be the end of the video. Yeah, I also have if you didn't know, I also have a second YouTube channel and a Discord server. So please go check that out. Link down below. Hope to see you in the next one.